I mean, the worst nightmare for them, it's like their job is hard, and you could say maybe their job's miserable, right? If you haven't digitized and you're in this reactive state, you probably don't have the same job fulfillment as someone that's, let's say, automated that process of figuring out what maintenance tasks are most important, what needs to get done. And you're running around with a, like a chicken with your head cut off a little bit, trying to respond to whatever breaks that day. I think that's the challenge, right? And I think where maintenance managers, maintenance leaders can get stuck is just finding the time to be a little proactive, right? You got to do those things. This is a self help best practice in general. Hey, carve out that time, whether it's 30 minutes, 1 hour to start thinking ahead to being proactive. Because when you're in a situation where you are running around reacting to things nonstop, it can be hard to think it's like, yes, I know these digital tools are out there, but I don't have time to do that today, right? So I think that's a challenge, and there are a lot of good reasons people have those challenges today, right? Like a lot of people are running without all the maintenance staff they need right now, so they're struggling to keep up. They're trying to fill headcount. There are a lot of legitimate distractions out there, but I think going back, hey, what's the worst nightmare is realizing you need to be proactive, but not having the time to be more proactive.